Iċ-Ċirklu attività ta' divertiment li tieħu l-ħajja fi żmien il-Festi Tal-Milied u l-bidu tal-ewwel tas-sena. Ikunu bosta dawk il-familji li jieħdu lil uliedhom biex isegwu spettaklu ta' kapaċitajiet li ftit jittantaw xortihom li jagħmlu. News mar f'wieħed miċ-ċirkli li qed isir f'Baħar Iċ-Ċaq f'atmosfera ta' nies tilgħinu niżlin maħbula u ċriki. Tkellimna ma' uħud minnhom dwar jekk isibux diffiċli dak li għalina jidher perikolus.
It's too hard anyway. It's many practice, many hours for training for can be a perfect act. No, but afraid really. I believe it's in the beginning maybe, but now it's already. It's a passion, no, do this. So I love to do trapeze, so I believe afraid no.
Yes, I find it very hard because it's very strenuous. You need a lot of flexibility to do all the tricks. And also if you have any pain or anything, you don't get any chance to relax. You just have to keep going, keep working. It's very difficult sometimes, but it's worth it.
Madana kollu anke jekk xogħolhom huwa li jduru d-dinja biex jesebixxu dan l-ispettaklu, kellhom kliem ta' tifħir favur pajjiżna. Buħud minnhom bħal ħafna Maltin bħalna iffissati fuq ix-xiri kull fejn imorru.
I like Malta, it's amazing. I don't see all the Malta, but last year also we are here and really is very nice. Very nice.
This like Malta perché go to shopping.
Yes,
shopping.
Valletta, I go along, I buy everything. Yes, it's so beautiful.
No,
really.
yes, it's beautiful.
It's hot, a hot place, and the people, the public is really love it. I love that place, and they look like to Miami, Brasilia, and they really look like in the home. So I love it here.
Yes, it's very nice. I love the weather. In England we have terrible weather, but here it's really nice, and the places are really nice.